Hello, my dear students of Anand English Medium School. Myself, Mr. Vishwajit Rangnekar, sir. And today I am going to teach for 7th standard students. I am going to teach the very first poem, and the name of the poem is Past, Present, and Future. I repeat, the name of the poem is Past, Present, and Future. So let us see some difficult words. DW, D means you, MILD, mild means moderately warm. Moderately warm means what? Neither very hot nor very cold. Neither very hot nor very cold. To mount, MOUNT, mount का मतलब क्या है? To get up or to go up. Words are saying in this way. MIGHT mighty. You know this word very well. Mighty का मतलब है very powerful, which has a lot of strength. SPRAY स्प्रे का मतलब है small branch of a tree having flowers. Next word is dazzling. Dazzling का मतलब है extremely bright. Dazzling, when we wink our eyes, suppose there is a very bright light and we wink our eyes, that is a dazzling. Okay, and the last word is infinity. Infinity का मतलब है, देखो बच्चों, having no end or endless. How is the sky? The sky is endless. How is even the sea? कितना भी जाओ खत्म नहीं होता. It means infinity. So if the words, again there will be difficult words, I will write on the blackboard. So I am going to read this poem. Suppose if there will be some difficult words, I will write it on blackboard. So please see. Tell me, smiling child. Tell me, smiling child, what the past is like to thee. D का मतलब है you. The poet asks the smiling child. The poet asks a little child who is smiling. Tell me, my dear child, what the past is like to thee. What was your past? तुम्हारा past कैसा रहा है? तुम्हारा भूतकाल जो है वो कैसा था? Then the child replies, an autumn evening, soft and mild, with a wind that sighs mournfully. 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 mournfully का मतलब है sadly. तो वो बच्चा कहता है, the child replies that उसका पास्ट कैसा था? It was just like autumn in the evening. Autumn का मतलब है मराठी में जिसे हम शरद ऋतु कहते हैं. Autumn is one of the season. तो it was very soft, it was very mild, but with a wind that sighs mournfully. In this way, mournfully का मतलब है sadly, means it was a sad touch also. Then again देखो, second stanza is, tell me what is the present hour. The poet again asks this little child, tell me my dear child, what is the present hour. तुम्हारा present कैसा है? What is your present like? तुम्हारा present कैसा है? Then the little boy replies, the little child replies that a green and flowery spray. It is just like a green and flowery spray where a young bird sits gathering its power to mount and fly away. So the child replies that my present is a green and flowery spray. You know, my dear student, green color is a color of happiness. Green color is a color of happiness. That is why the child replies that it is just like a green, means अच्छा है, it is so happy. And flowery spray का मतलब है little branch which has so many flowers where a young bird sits. You know the birds, all the birds sit on, especially on the flowery sprays, especially on a flowery and leafy tree. None of a bird sits on leafless tree. जिस म्हणजे ज्या झाडाला पानं नाही आहेत, फुलं नाही आहेत, जिथं वस्ती आपण करू शकत नाही तिथं पक्षी राहतच नाही. मग जिथं पक्षी राहतात कुठे राहतात? वेअर डू द बर्ड्स dwell? The birds generally dwell on a flowery and leafy tree. Okay, so gathering its power means the bird is clutching, okay, its power to sit on the branch, to mount and fly away. To mount का मतलब हमने देखा है, to mount means go up, to go up or to rise up, and to fly away, आणि आकाशामध्ये उडण्यासाठी. In this way means the present is very happy, very good. Okay, the present has some dreams. कैसा होता है बच्चों? देखो, जो द लिटिल वंस होते हैं, जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे होते हैं और यंग लोग जो होते हैं, उनके ड्रीम्स होते हैं. दे वॉन्ट टू कॉन्कर द स्काई. ओके, और जो बूढ़े होते हैं उनका सब कुछ हो जाता है. जनरली द old people do not have any dreams, but the small children, the young people, they have dreams. It is just like the present hour of a child is very good. And what is the future happy one? Again the poet asks to that child, and what is the future happy one? तुम्हारा फ्यूचर कैसा होगा? Then the child replies, मेरा फ्यूचर कैसा होगा? देखो, a sea beneath a cloudless sun. a sea beneath का मतलब है नीचे, a cloudless sun, a mighty glorious. देखो, glorious, glorious, glorious means having very good time, having very good time with name and fame. फेम बोले तो कीर्ति, क्या है? ग्लोरियस. नेम एंड फेम, जहाँ पे तुम्हारा नाम भी होगा, कीर्ति भी होगी. इन दिस वे, dazzling sea stretching into infinity. So the child says to the poet, the child replies to the poet that my future will be a very bright. Okay, my future will be very bright. It has no end, just like endless sea or endless sky. तो फ्यूचर कैसा है? अ माइटी. माइटी मीन्स पावरफुल. मेरा फ्यूचर बहुत पावरफुल है, स्ट्रॉन्ग है, ग्लोरियस है और डैजलिंग है. इट मीन्स दैट द चाइल्ड विल be successful in the future. The child will be successful in his life. Okay, so the poem has 3 stanza and each stanza contains 4 lines. A very good poem, a beautiful poem to know about present, past and future. So I hope, my dear students, you have understood this poem. If you have any difficulty, if you have any query, if you have any doubts, so just dial on our school's phone number. Have a very nice time. Thank you.